went to Veeology. Today we are doing this, and it is like from Blue Apron, and it is the top sirloin beef fajitas. So this is what we're going to do for Taco Tuesday, and if you're ready to see how I am going to prepare this, stay tuned. So what you will need for this, I have some beef shoulder steaks. So I have 2 packets of those. I have a yellow sweet onion, and I have some orange bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, red bell pepper, of course our green bell pepper, and I have a lime. And this is the wrap that we only use, and this is the lavish bread. It's by Joseph. And if you look at the back, guys, everybody get the low carb and all. On this one, the carb is only 8. Any of the other ones, the carbs are much higher. So if you see this brand right here, use this. The carbs are much lower, and you get 4 flatbreads in here, and they are big. So let's go.
In the 80s, looking at me like, where are all my flaws? I don't know, I'm feeling lazy, don't even care now. All up in Japan right now, I'm pushing for that moolah like a brand out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. Don't wanna do this shit without my friends right now. Don't have to let the money come between us. No, they not even capable to feel us. No, why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah, that way we could lean away with all the people. Yeah. Stallions, all the Italian stallions, with the Italian stallions,
Now the next thing you want to do, I have already cut my steak up, and it's in strips, and that's what you want. Next thing here, I am using the low sodium taco seasoning mix, and it is better just to put it inside of a bowl because it's easier to mix. So, and it smells absolutely so good. And what we want to do is just stir it. Make sure all of it gets some seasoning. So that's what you want it to look like. Make sure all pieces get some seasoning. So next we will go over to the frying pan. So the next thing we're going to do is add some heat to your pan. And I am using olive oil, so I'm going to add olive oil to my pan. So I'm going to let my olive oil heat up. So now what I want to do is put this in my pan because I want to get it brown.
for that moolah like a friend out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. Don't wanna do this shit without my friends right now. Don't have to let the money come between us. They not even capable to feel us. Why don't we just take the stacks and go deeper? Yeah. That way we could lean away from all the people. You don't have to let the money come between us. They not even capable to feel us. Why don't we just take the stacks and go deeper? That way we could lean away with all the people. Oh my God, looking at my squad, baby acting goofy, like I'm a movie. Looking at me like, why do you want party? Goddamn, I'm on a cool shit. I do whatever that I want. Better understand this, I don't know where I can start. Level out the score first, yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even know about baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. And you don't even talk to me. Had it so much up for me. Oh my God, look at all my sauce. It's going crazy, like in the 80s. Looking at me like, where am I from? I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. Don't even care now, all up in Japan right now. I'm pushing for that moolah like a friend out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. Don't wanna do this shit without my friends right now. Away with all the people, yeah. Stallions, all the Italians, stallions, with the Italian stallions, You don't have to let the money come between us. They not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way you could lean away with all the people. Yeah. Oh my God, looking at my squad, they be acting bougie, like I'm a
Okay, so everything is set up for them, and on the side I have the lime, and I will cut that when it's almost time for dinner. But this is what I like to do: cook a little bit early and clean my kitchen back down. So my kitchen is back clean. So now guys, so see, everything is back done. So when we're getting ready to do dinner, I will come back and show you how I set up the lavish bread wraps and make steak fajitas.
Crazy, like in the 80s. Looking at me like, where are my flaws? I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. Don't even care now, all up in Japan right now. I'm pushing for that moolah like a friend out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. Don't wanna do this shit without my friends right now. You don't have to let the money come between us. They not even capable to feel us. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way we could lean away with all the people. Yeah. Stallions, all the Italian stallions, with the Italian stallions, looking at my squad. They be acting Gucci, like I'm a rookie. Looking at me like, why do you go hard? Cause goddamn, I'm on a cruise ship. I do whatever that I want. Better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even know, but baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. And you don't even talk to me. I had to tell myself, don't leave. Baby, why don't you come with me? Hiking up that hill, that's easy. Oh my god, look at all my sauce. See me going crazy, like in the 80s. Looking at me like, where are all my flaws? I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. Don't even care now, all up in Japan right now. I'm pushing for that moolah like a brand out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. Don't wanna do this shit without my friends right now. You don't have to let the money come between us. Nah, they not even capable to feel us. You don't have to let